exploring the sweet world of Ube Halaya, history, culture, and recipe. Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to Knowledge Void, where we take deep dives into the fascinating history, culture, and economics of the world's most delicious foods. Today, we're talking about a Filipino classic that has taken the world by storm, Ube Halaya. This rich, creamy, and vibrant purple yam jam is a true gem of Filipino cuisine, and we're going to explore its history, cultural significance, and even show you how to make it yourself. So stick around, because this is going to be a sweet ride. Before we get to the recipe, let's talk history. Ube, or Dioscorea alata, is a native root crop that has been cultivated in the Philippines and Southeast Asia for centuries. Pre-colonial Filipinos loved using ube in rice cakes, boiling or steaming it, and incorporating it into various dishes. But it wasn't until the Spanish colonial period that Ube Halaya as we know it today was born. The name Halaya actually comes from the Spanish word jalea, meaning jelly or jam. During Spanish rule, Filipino desserts evolved, incorporating European cooking techniques and dairy-based ingredients like butter and condensed milk. And just like that, Ube Halaya became a staple of Filipino celebrations, from fiestas to Christmas feasts. Fast forward to today, and ube has exploded onto the global food scene. From ube ice cream and ube cheesecake to ube lattes and ube mochi donuts, this purple powerhouse is everywhere. Thanks to social media and Filipino restaurants abroad, Ube Halaya is now a worldwide sensation. But no matter how it's used, it always brings a taste of Filipino heritage to the table. Alright, who's ready to make some homemade Ube Halaya? This recipe is rich, creamy, and packed with that signature ube flavor. Whether you want to eat it on its own, spread it on bread, or use it as a base for other desserts, this is the only Ube Halaya recipe you'll ever need. Ingredients: 2 cups grated fresh ube or thawed frozen ube, 1 can 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, 1 can 12 ounces evaporated milk, 1 cup coconut milk for extra richness, half a cup granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 1/4 cup unsalted butter plus extra for greasing, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon salt, optional for extra creaminess, 1 cup coconut cream, kakangata, half a cup grated mild cheddar cheese, trust me, it's a Filipino thing, 1/2 teaspoon ube extract for deeper color and flavor. Instructions: cook the ube. If using fresh ube, boil it until fork tender, 30 to 40 minutes, then peel and grate. If using frozen ube, make sure to thaw completely. Make the mixture. Melt butter in a non-stick pan over low heat. Add the grated ube, condensed milk, evaporated milk, coconut milk, and sugar. Stir to combine. Slow cook to perfection. Stir constantly over low heat to prevent burning. The mixture will thicken in 30 to 40 minutes. Keep stirring until you get a jam-like consistency. Add flavor. Stir in vanilla extract, salt, and ube extract if using. Cool and serve. Transfer to buttered molds or glass containers while warm. Let it cool before refrigerating. Now that you've made your Ube Halaya, how do you enjoy it? Here are some of my favorite ways. As a spread, perfect on pandesal, toast, or crackers. As a dessert, eat it on its own or topped with grated cheese or laddick, coconut curds. In Filipino sweets, use it in halo-halo, ube ice cream, or ube cheesecake. As a filling, stuff it into mochi, ensaymada, or hopia. Fun fact, Ube Halaya isn't just a delicious treat, it's also a booming industry. With the global rise of ube-based desserts, Filipino farmers and businesses are seeing a growing demand for this vibrant purple yam. Social media has played a huge role, with hashtag Ube racking up millions of views on Instagram and TikTok. Alright, I've got to dig into this. But before I do, what's your favorite way to eat Ube Halaya? Do you like it classic in ice cream or in a creative fusion dessert? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more deep dives into the history of food, make sure to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. Want to help support the channel and keep these delicious videos coming? Join me on Patreon for exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.